Boy, am I glad that I called you. Fucking Christ. Next time, just go to the bloody Trip Trap if you're looking for the woodsman.
I hate him so much. Are you gonna just take one drag off this fag and then throw it on the floor
I'll
again?
be honest, Bigby. I don't really know how to feel about what happened in there.
Hey, I only slapped him, Snow,
We
twice.
got what we came for. Some information. He'll be all right.
So, split a cab?
Sure. I can only go to the Trip Trap for now anyway.
Not because of what Toad said.
Hopefully the woodsman's there. Or, I don't know.
Let's
Someone
go
will
and see.
know where to find him. It's my best lead,
Our only lead, really.
when you put it that way.
Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
The woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope so.
I hope you're right. Bigby,
So do I, Snow.
be honest with me.
I
Who do
love you.
think
Oh, sorry.
did this?
Wrong question.
I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind.
I have just... It's
The
gotta be
woodsman.
the woodsman, surely.
He had the motive. He had the means.
And you said it was done by a sharp
You
object.
sound so sure that he's guilty.
Yes.
I think he is. At the very least, he's guilty of hitting that girl. And coming after me with an axe.
Damn
The
straight,
way I
Bigby,
see it,
you know it.
he's getting off light. I'm dragging his sorry ass out of there and throwing him in a cell. We'll figure out the rest later.
This side of you scares me sometimes.
It's fine. I love you, Snow. I will never do that to you.
Thanks
I
for
wish
you.
there was...
Oh, snap. Jinx. What? That's not awkward at all.
Sorry.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's...
Sexual tension.
It's nothing. I just...
Sexual tension. That's what it is. Sexual tension everywhere.
Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution. I wish there was more we could do.
There is, Snow.
This
We're gonna
isn't
catch
how I thought it would
the
be.
killer.
But Crane runs things his own way.
Crane
Crane
seems
is the
like
one
a
to blame
dick.
here, not you.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time. I'm more
I
to
say
blame than
again.
anyone.
You'll
Because he
fix it.
seems like an asshole.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for
Oh,
anything,
well.
needing help. Well, I turn you away.
I wouldn't go for your back door, Snow. What? Don't you look at it like
Now
that,
things
Bigby.
are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much. Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure. A way to help.
You'll figure it out. You're better than I am with this political stuff.
Well, that's not
Well,
hard,
that's not
though, is
saying
it?
much.
I trust you to make the right decision.
Damn, she's got some sass.
I hope you're right. Maybe you should handle this one.
I agree.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Bigby.
Love you.
I
Love you. Say it, Snow.
just
Say
be
it.
careful.
Say it. That's not what you
Please.
want to say, really.
The same goes for you.
I would.
The Trip Trap. No. Oh, I was going to say that better not be the end of the episode. Knock, knock. The big bad wolf's here. Hey, beautiful. Oh, it's you. You're the
What do you
fucking
want, Sheriff?
gobshite from the office.
I'm looking for the
Fucking
woodsman.
Well, he's not here. So I guess you can go now.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks.
What's that look for?
No,
What?
maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
I smell something fishy.
Don't let him tell you what to do. You're your own woman.
Well, this is me talking, Bigby. Fuck off.
Damn! You're lucky I don't hit women. Because if you was a man, I would slap you in the face.
Whose is that?
Someone who left.
Why didn't you dump it?
Good question, Bigby.
If you want a cleaner place, feel free to get the fuck out of here.
You are
I'm sensing a very hostile tone from you.
a mouthy little
Don't
shit.
deny it. I'm good at picking up on this stuff.
Pickled eggs. Mine
A
now.
lot of these walk out the door?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
Mine now.
You get a refund?
Fuck you.
Oh.
Word's getting out.
He a regular?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The one with the bald head and the beard.
Don't be so stupid.
Never
You've got
seen
a
him.
picture of him up on your fucking wall. How can you not know who it is?
Come on. Have you seen the woodsman around?
Come on, why you like this,
I don't know
Grant?
who that is.
Big guy, beard, flannel, kind of a shitbag. Hard to miss.
I
Sure
agree
you don't
with the
know.
shit like that. Don't lie to me.
Don't lie to me. It'd be bad for everybody.
Call me a liar, and it'll be bad for you.
No. You'll look at him and got the option to call you a liar again.
A lot of stools in this place.
If I sit over there, I'm gonna have to yell to talk to you. And I don't like raising my voice. Unless I
Don't
really
lie,
have to.
baby. You love it. You know you love it.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers?
I bet both, probably. Well, considering you only have one.
You know what I mean.
Give me a Midas gold.
You want a line?
Nope.
No.
Well,
ain't
I don't
no
got any
funny.
anyway.
Then why offer then, you little shit?
Think that's funny?
Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
What is this guy's issue?
It was all right. This is fun. This back and forth. We should really do it more often. But, I'm starting to lose my patience.
Uh-oh. By any chance, is that gonna be the woodsman? That's my guess anyway.
Ollie, you're out of
Bingo.
paper towels in the...
How's it going? One or two.
Number one or number two? For your sake, I hope it was two. Otherwise, you're probably shitting your pants right now.
I like it.
You and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
You can always come quietly. Not sure you knew that was an option before. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats.
Get your goddamn hand off me.
Last fella put his hand on me. Ended up with an axe in his head.
Last fella I put my hand on ended up in the ground.
Oh,
Okay, Grim.
you want to go so bad. Don't worry. I'm sure we'll butt heads at some point.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf.
Yes, I am the big bad
Well, I'm
wolf
the bad
indeed.
guy and you're a sheriff. What kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Not exactly comfortable with it either, but... Hey, you play the hand you're dealt.
Well, some folks are forced to play with shit.
That's a lovely image.
Guess you want to know about the girl.
Amongst other
I
things.
have to say,
sure.
I do very much so enjoy the
Walked
dialogue
past her place
in
for
this
weeks.
game.
She didn't look
It
like
is
it.
so good.
She had money. I was sure of it. She wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Just shut up. I'm taking you in.
For what?
I don't know if your shit.
We've had punch-ups before, Bigby. Never had to get official. Just
Glass
run off
him,
some
do it.
steam is all.
I'm dragging you back to the woodland.
For what? Jesus,
Damn.
Bigby, that fucking hurt.
Do you want to go?
Hey, stop! This isn't what I want.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
You're backing the wrong guy. If you saw what I saw last night, you'd know that.
What I see is someone who wouldn't be here if I was the one needing the law for some help.
That's because you have
Our
one weird
sister
fucked
goes
up eye.
missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White
Oh, we're
looking
gonna-
right
come
past
on.
me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
Hit him. Hit him. You fucking gobshite. You fucking deserved it.
That all you got?
Seemed to be enough.
Don't be so sure.
Good.
Who the fuck's this guy?
should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Come on. You're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
I take my contact minutes. You are not attractive. You're a big, ugly fucking thing. This could be going better. Poke me now. Get angry, Big B. In the face. Get up, Big B. Get up. Oh, now you're in for it. Oh, damn. Oh, now you're going down. Oh, you're going down so bad. Ooh. Get in, Big B. In the face.
He's had enough.
No, he's not. I'll tell you when he's had enough. Do it. No. Now he's had
I'm the
enough.
lapdog, huh?
Take his arm.
Here.
Take his arm.
Thanks.
You fucking monster!
Yeah, you won't fuck with me again? They don't think so. What?
Whiskey.
Give me the fucking drink.
Double.
Damn, you kick ass, Big B. You kick so much ass.
All this never happened. I'm good.
Come on, Woody. Come on.
Don't even think about it.
You're coming with me.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
No, it's what you get if you do a runner again.
If you run, it'll be worse. Trust me.
Do it. Run, Woody. Alright, who the fuck's this now?
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named.
Oh, shit. Oh no, no. Oh no, no. We'll go for Woody.
You said you wouldn't hurt me.
You said you wouldn't run. Shit.
Snap. Got a point.
Guy's covered in blood and you let him go?
No one asked you.
Ah!
Come on. You're under arrest.
I didn't do it.
Yeah.
And you got nothing to worry about.
I'm like 9% sure you did do it though. There's no reason for me to believe you didn't do it. What?
Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
All right.
The fuck's the witching well when it's at home, I wonder? Darling, 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 darling. Stealthy Bigby. He's had to be the worst police ever. He's coming after you, Bigby. No. 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 No, no, no. Don't you dare end it like that. That's exactly how it's going to be ended, isn't it? God damn, that was a good episode.
Special.
The fuck?
Who else is involved?
The girl with the coat.
Where's the rest of her?
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh, God, and it's one of us?
Wait, the big fat guy still walking the streets?
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
Oh, I'm going to slap you in the face.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks.
I just saw some boobies.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punish someone.
Yeah,
We can arrange that.
but I can see some boobies.
What did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Damn, that was an action-packed episode. Oh shit, let's have a look. Oh, is this the decisions throughout it all, I guess? Oh shit, 50. Oh right. I ain't paying for someone else's prostitute. That's not how it works. I'm crazy. No, I didn't tell. Most people did that. And see, yeah, well, Toad's a prick. I don't care if Toad dies. I really don't care what happens to Toad. I hate him. Well, I'm gonna guess that's a good thing, maybe? Only 18 people think it's the woodsman. Right. Oh, well. That bodes well. Well, if we're going on what everyone else thought of it, I got one decision correct. Sick. Well, on that note, I think that's going to be it for The Wolf Among Us, and probably it for the day, as I'm now at 4:20 in the morning. Jesus fucking Christ, that was like 2 hours, but so worth it. The game's fantastic, I have to say. One of the best story-based games I've played in a long time. Bar the graphics, not a fan of the graphics, but apart from that, it's all good.